Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to fix OS support check error. So this is a very common error which we see during the installation of Oracle database. Okay, it's not only for Oracle 19c but it happens for every Oracle database software installation, and if there is a mismatch or if there is any conflict between the Oracle database and the operating system, then we'll get this error. Okay, because the older versions of Oracle database may not be supported in the new Linux variants. Okay, so just imagine, so if you are installing Oracle 9.9, okay, on Oracle Linux 9, would it be supporting on Oracle Linux 9? Obviously not, because the libraries, the kernel related files and all the code, right, so which are upgraded in the latest version of the operating system or the platform will not be will be quite advanced. Okay, so a few of the libraries and the binaries, all these Linux packages may not be supporting the older versions of Oracle, because in Oracle older versions the code which was written may not be matching the newer versions, right? So obviously we need to either install the latest version like 21c or 23AI, or we need to do some workaround. Okay, but even if we are using some workaround, it may not be completely the software may not be completely working. Okay, so we may face some future errors related to the libraries and the binaries which are installed on the operating system. Okay, so that's the reason always it is recommended to install the latest patch. So you need to go and check the Oracle support website and follow all the recommendations which are provided in the Oracle support website. Okay, so if you are still trying to skip something, then in future it may end up in some impact. Okay, so in production systems we cannot play like this, but if it is a test system, just for practice, what you can do is, so let me just show you that how that error happens. Okay, so I just have this Linux version. So this is Oracle Linux, and you can see the kernel version. It is EL8. Okay, Oracle Linux 8 and 64-bit version. Okay, so now let me open a new session and try to open the run installer. So the moment when I execute the run installer on Oracle Linux 8 with 19c software, it says that we are getting this error: supported OS check, unexpected error while executing the action at state. Are you sure you want to continue? So when you go to the details, it is saying no additional information available, contact Oracle support services and refer to the software manual. Okay, so this is kind of a mismatch, or you can say this is an older version, so which may not be further supported in the latest Oracle latest Oracle database softwares may not be supported on the Linux version, right? So obviously we need to use a workaround. Okay, so here either we need to install the latest patch which may support the Oracle Linux 8 version, okay, or what we can do, first we need to remove the Oracle software if we already installed with the even though we install the Oracle database software in the correct sequence, but still we may get some error related to libraries in future. So to avoid those impacts, we need to apply the latest RU patch, or we have another workaround called we have a parameter. Okay, so this is kind of an environment variable, cv assume dist id. Okay, so this is a parameter which can act as a workaround to skip this error and further run the run installer. So what this parameter does is, it will just tell the Oracle software saying that you just run the Oracle database software installation in the compatibility mode, right? So if you are using Windows, right? So in Windows, currently the latest version is Windows 11. Okay, so if you are installing the older applications, you can take any applications. You can take Netscape, the older Netscape applications, or older internet applications, Orkut. So there are a lot of legacy applications which you may remember, right? So you can take any games, older games. You can take Age of Empires, Age of Empire 1. So all these softwares were supported in older versions like Windows 98, Windows Server. So for those kind of older versions, these softwares were supported. But currently in Windows 11, everything is advanced, and a lot of enhancements are introduced in Windows 11. So we cannot use the legacy old applications in Windows 11. Right, so even the graphics card may not support all these softwares. So similar to that, so if you want to run those programs in Windows 11, then it will just ask for multiple troubleshooting options. So in those troubleshooting options, we have an option called compatibility mode. Okay, so in compatibility mode, if you just run that software, it will just try to act as older versions like Windows Vista or Windows 98, but actual operating system is Windows 11. Okay, it will try to act as the older version for only for that particular software, like an emulation, right? So older games and older softwares can be emulated with some emulator, so which will just act as an intermediate to support the older version. So likewise, now we are going to emulate this Oracle Database 19c software, base software, okay, in Oracle Linux 8. So now we will not get the message. Okay, so this is how we can just use a workaround and skip the OS check error. But in real-time production systems, we should not we should make sure that we are not coming into any warnings or something. Okay, if you find any warnings, just stop immediately and go and check the Oracle support or contact Oracle support and ask for the proper way of installing Oracle database. So if it is a normal practice test, if you are installing a practice test machine like in a virtual box or virtual machine, then you can just keep using this option. Okay.